What is up everyone, welcome back to this video, and today we'll talk about how you can change or how you can just go ahead with your time on your Apple Watch. As you guys know that time is the important thing on Apple Watch, right? So there's no doubt, but we'll be showing you how you can just go ahead or how you just can change your time on your Apple Watch. Now the first things we're going to be talking about, obviously go ahead and press that crown button. Go ahead and open up your settings. Now scroll down right here unless you find out that option called clock. So right over here is going to find out it. Now just go ahead and tap clock. Now here's the color point. Okay, so as soon as you are in here, now it is clearly give you an alert. It says all alert and notification tones will start come at the times, the correct time. However, you can move ahead with the time. How you do that? Go ahead and press on the plus a minute here. Just decide how much time you want to get up or just get along with. Okay, so here we'll be just setting up, let's say 30 minutes for example. So here you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap set. There you are. Although now time says 2:02 right over here, it's 30 minutes faster. That's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and get out of here. If I just lock my Apple Watch, well, now clearly this is the digital faces, which is referring the time that we have just changed, and you can clearly see it right over here. Okay, this is how you can change your time. All right, so now I'm just going to go ahead and show you the with a little bit of visibility. I'm just going to go ahead and tap and hold the screen. The watch face is right over there. I'm just going to go ahead with something should be easier. All right, right now as you can see guys, the time has changed. Now it says 2:03. However, if I just go ahead and open it up, then you'll be able to see the exact time. It's actually 1:33. Alright guys, this is the way you can change your time on your Apple Watch, and this is how it works. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you think so, be sure to hit that like button, and lastly, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. That would be really great help for us.